morning, everyone. It snowed last night.
Ik kan de bakfiets niet zien dat hij ons...
Nee, maar we zijn te hoog nou, schat. Maar als we beneden zijn, dan kun je dat zien, ja?
Ja, maar mama, kom.
Let's go.
Tusjes.
Wat is dat? You need the TV or no?
I already did.
You did? It's very cool.
You go first. You go first.
Why not?
And I will fall.
You will fall. She will fall, she said. Why would you fall? Oh, I like the heart. I like that heart, love.
This.
Yeah, it's so cute.
White one.
Yeah, white heart.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
Can you
this
please
is-
close the door, love?
Which one?
That
Oh,
one.
that one.
Gently, be careful. You always have to be careful when you come down here, huh? Here. Good morning. It's snowing. Oh my!
Hapjes maken. En die en Titus is
You put away stuff, love. Can you clean up?
See?
You have
See?
paper on the floor, look. Please.
Oké, voor jou.
Thank
Dit
you.
was voor papa.
It's the same, man.
Kijk, hier zit achterop iets. Die had jij geschreven.
Oh yeah.
Loina.
For Tante Loina. Oh, there's more stuff on the floor, love. Yeah. She says it's water, and she has her name on it, and also hearts.
Mama, look.
Oh, that's nice. Who is this? Is that you?
Nee.
Who's that? Oh, look at her. Look at the
This.
table. Aww. That's Ariel.
Ja, oh ja.
Yeah. Let's make breakfast now, love. Hello, titas. I'm ready. So I'm gonna leave Ruth and Anna. I have an appointment. I have to go to Eindhoven to meet a former colleague. And Ruth and Anna are gonna watch a show, a St. Nicholas show with Oma and Opa. So that's our ganap for today. Doy doy awakuy. Fix your hair later, huh? You look so pretty, love.
Don't want to like this with the hair?
Huh?
Something in the hair, do or like this?
It's okay. Just brush your hair.
Yeah.
Doy skatcha batcha. Zoy.
A few moments later.
Oh, diba? Uminit, guys. Kanina nag-snow, diba? Ngayon mainit, pero ang lamig. Ganito po tayo kay... Sabi ni Ruth, magdala na lang ako para sure. Naka-leggings lang ako na heat tech ba? Na leggings. Naka-ano din ako. Heat tech na panloob. Pero yung kamay ko, Diyos ko, feeling ko makakabili ako ng gloves doon kung masyado siyang malamig. Pero uminit nga. Kaso nasa indoor lang naman kami ni Veronica mamaya. Sadly, yung isa naming kasama, si Jessica, hindi siya makakapunta kasi may sakit. So kami lang dalawa ni Veronica, which is okay lang din. Kasi si Jessica din nakikita ko everyday sa work. Pero si Veronica, wala na kasi siya sa trabaho na, diba? But yeah, samahan niyo po ako. Gala na naman ang nanay. Importanteng gumala tayo, no? Magkaroon ng me time ba. Dito na po yung ano ko, yung bus ko. Ay, lamig. lamig. Pero ano na siya, umiinit na masyado. Sobrang windy. Yung appointment ko po is at 12 but it's only 11 like 25 ngayon. So, maglakad-lakad muna ako. Maghanap ng maiihian. Kasi alam niyo naman dito sa Europe or dito sa Netherlands, mahal mangi. Usually, ngayon hindi na nga 50 cents, 70 cents or 1 euro na. Minsan lang tayo nakakahanap ng libre na na CR. Uy, ang lamig. Dito sa yung Bijenkorf dito sa Netherlands. Ano siya, kung gusto nyo ng mga high-end na brands, luxury brands, dito din nakakabili. Ang ganda ng Christmas na talaga ba? Ang cute. Bet na bet ko po yung shade ng aking lipstick ba. Nagagandahan ako dito. Char lang. Ang ganda na talaga ng decoration nila. Christmas na. Plans. Ay nako, miscommunication, hindi makakapunta si Veronica dun. So, solo flight na lang ako today, no? Kumuha ako ng kape doon sa Starbucks kasi may time pa ba kailangan kong umihi. Tapos kailangan kong maghintay ng oras din. Yun. And 10 minutes pa naman. Punta na tayo doon kasi mag-o-open 10 minutes. In 10 minutes. Pasok po tayo dito sa mall. Diyos ko. Biglaan naman. Labas na po ako ng Herbal. Busog na tayo na. Balik na ako ng station. Kay wala na akong gagawin man dito. Ayoko ding pumasok sa mga shops kasi mapapagastos na naman tayo nang wala sa oras. So, uwi na lang po ako. Malapit na din naman yung bus. Pa Saindo o pa Dimbos. Yan, binilhan natin ng treats ang mag-ama. Ang mahal po ng Dunkin Donuts dito pero super minsan lang naman kami bumibili. Pero gusto kasi ni Ana, minsan lang ako pumunta ng city, dalhan na natin ang mag-ama. Sige pa, justify pa more. Balik na po ulit tayo sa sentro, sa station. Alis na po tayo. Hindi masyadong busy ang bus pero yung bus na to papunta ko sobrang puno pa. yelo. Ano ba yan? Naabutan ng ulan ng yelo. Naghihill po ngayon. Sana hindi lumaki tong hill. Agoy. Si Ro tsaka si Ana pauwi na din. Kita na lang kami sa bahay. Hi guys. Finally home. But I got so unlucky with the hail. O, diba? Ako na, wala na ng ice. What an unexpected turn of events. Ako'y. O, diba? Pero anyway, nag-enjoy naman ako. Originally, I was supposed to meet up with my colleagues. I used to work with them like months ago when I was still in my first department. Ano ko po sila? Former team leader ko yung isa from South Africa, and then the other one is from Argentina. So unfortunately, she's not with us anymore in the company. I was supposed to meet them today, but then 3 hours before the time, one of them told me that she wouldn't make it because she's feeling sick today. So I understand. But then when I was already close to the place, she replied that we can reschedule. So I said, "Oh, yeah, that's fine. But I'm already here if you're in the area." And there was sort of miscommunication because she thought that we were gonna meet up in another town, in her town, because she forgot to check the place that I sent her. But yeah, things can happen. I called Ruth because I missed Anna's show. There's St. Nicholas show in our town, and I already had tickets, but then nagka-conflict yung time namin. So I thought, okay, Anna would just go with Papa and her Papa and also my in-laws. And then another kid, like her friend. Diba? So sana ako ba? Naka-join na lang ako kay Anna. But yeah, I just still pushed through with the plan. I went to the Vietnamese place, Eindhoven. Let's turn on the massage, the foot massage. Kaya I think I need massage. Ruth and Anna will be home soon. Kasi before I got off the bus, he said uwi na daw. He said they were gonna come home already, but then yeah, I made it home first. Too bad. It really hailed. As soon as I got off the bus, it started to hail. Si Rina, andun sa Den Bosch. So, yung ticket ko kasi, it's a day ticket. So, it's a free ticket. It's one ticket from and to Den Bosch and Eindhoven. So, kahit ilang beses ka magbabalik-balik, it's okay. You can use the same day pass or day ticket. And Rina is in Den Bosch, so I was considering na i-meet si Rina sa Den Bosch, but with this crap weather, no thank you. So, umuwi na lang talaga ako. And sobrang lamig today, kaya sabi ko, wag na kasi nga, matatabaho tayo bukas, diba? But, I only have 2 days, and then after that, I have 2 days off, and then Friday. So, balik ulit. So, diba? 2 days lang. My God, poor na poor talaga tayo. Tingnan nyo naman yung medyas ko, may butas pala. Ba yan? Foot massage tayo ng konti. Kayo po, kumustahin nyo mga araw? I hope okay po kayo and nag-i-enjoy po kayo sa weekend nyo. Excited na akong kainin yung dala ko na, 6 pieces ko na Dunkin Donut. Kasi mas, 5 lang sana yung pinili ko, pero mas mura man pag bumili ako ng 6. 6 na lang. 2 for Anna, 2 for me, and 2 for Rich. Ito yun, Iba't ibang flavors to. Assorted yarn. But definitely, I will get the original glazed. Kasi yun naman ang paborito ko. Kayo po, ano po yung mga gusto nyo sa donut? Kasi ako, pag nasa Krispy Kreme, yung honey glazed lang yung sa akin. And then, yung sa Dunkin Donut, yun din. Yung original na lang na glazed ba? Ayan, Ayan. Chocolate rainbow. Strawberry rainbow. May ano din tayo dito. Nutella. And ito, ano siya, Dubai chocolate. And then tag-isa kami ni Mr. sa original. Exciting! Matagal na akong hindi nakakain ng donut.
One eternity later.
Pretty ng ating aling maliit. Ay, dito na sila. Nagbigay na naman ng food yung nanay ng kaibigan ni Ana na may-ari ng Chinese restaurant dito. Kainin namin. Tingnan nyo naman tong ating aling maliit dito. Oh. Position niya. Oh. Wow! Sana all. Sana all tong batang to. Wow! 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 It's, it's comfy?
Yeah.
Yeah, like it? Wow. Ang daming pagkain binigay ng nanay ni Rongrong. Uy. How many bakyas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6?
Yeah. It's really nice.
Yeah, palaging bibigay ng pagkain. Nakakahiya. Nakakahiya talaga. Pero, yun, pag naglalaro dito ang bata, or pag dinadala. Kasi pinasama nila today. Para naman ako may hilot dito, oh. Nag-i-edit po ako ngayon ng ng resume ko. Update ko siya ba. Ayan, yung ating aling maliit ay nakaligo na. So, i-dry ko po yung kanyang buhok. Si Ruth kanina nag-grocery, so hindi man lang tinuk away. Madaling umalis. So anyway, nakumuha siya ng sliced bread. And then may strawberries din tayo dito. Nagpabili din ako sa kanya ng tortilla wraps. Kasi bukas magtutortilla ako. May eggs tayo. And then more tortilla wraps. Oh. May mga dapat nasa freezer. Kaso hindi man lang nilagay. Ang papa ni mo, ay? Ayan, Greek yogurt. Then, nagpabili din po ako sa kanya ng kunting rice. Kasi naghahanap ng rice yung ating aling maliit. May avocado din ako dito for the wrap. Sana hindi ito basmati yung binili. Umi rice. Okay. Jasmine rice. Tapos, nagpabili din ako ng maliit na oyster sauce. Hindi ito yung oyster sauce na ginagamit ko kaso hindi pa kami pupunta ng Asian store. Yan. Yun lamang yung ating grocery. So, yun lang. Bukas magra-wrap po din si Ana. Pakainin ko ng wrap. And then, hindi kami magra-rice muna ng mga ilang araw ni Ana. Uy, kaya palagi kaming nagra-rice ba? I-ano muna natin to. Iligpit yung iba. Tapos, i-dry ko yung hair ni Ana. So, that's about it. I just went to Eindhoven earlier to supposedly meet my colleagues. But then, they couldn't make it today. So, I ended up spending time alone. Spending time. I just enjoyed my me time. And then, after that, I came home and just also spent time with Ana and Ruth, and then also updated my resume. We have nothing much planned for tonight. Okay, we have nothing much planned for tonight, only to just to take a rest because it's only daarom dat moet ik doen. Daarom moet je wachten. Ik zei wachten. Ruth will be home around 7, so in an hour to put Anna to bed. So I have to get her ready. I already gave her a bath, and now I'm about to dry her hair. So, yun. Mommy duties po muna tayo, no? So, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining our day. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Mush, mush, babush. Ana!
Mush, mush, babush.
Mush, mush, babush.